Hi guys, welcome to Becodewala. In this video, I am going to show you how to make a beautiful elastic animation like this. To make this a beautiful elastic animation, we are going to use HTML and CSS. You can see in my web page how it's jumping from up and down. So to make this, we are going to use HTML and CSS. So come to our VS Code. See, if you are new to our channel, please don't forget to subscribe us. Here in my HTML file, so here is my HTML file. In this I have taken the basic structure of my HTML, and in this I am going to show you how to make this basic structure of HTML. I'll show you. Wait, see, if you press this sign, see, if I press and then you press enter, it will show the basic structure of your HTML file. It's a shortcut key in our VS Code. So you can make our basic structure of HTML file like this by using that shortcut. So again come to our code. So here in this I have taken the title elastic animation, and after that I have linked my CSS file style.css. Here you can see my style.css. So after doing this, come to our body tag. In body tag, I have taken div with class frame, and in this div, I have taken two divs. You can see here in this div with class frame, I have taken two divs with class top and bottom. So after taking these two divs, we have taken one more div with class ellipse. So in this class ellipse, which I have taken two div, green and white class. So the class is green and white. So out of this div, I have taken h2 tag. Follow Becodewala for more. You can see in my VS Code. This code you can write in your code editor and you can see the result. So after this, we come to our CSS file. So here in body tag, I have taken the background color code. I'll show you. See, this is my background color code. After this, I have target my class frame. You can see here in my HTML file, I have taken class frame. So after that, in this class frame, I have taken position absolute. Top, from top it should be 50%. So first we are making in center so that our frame, our div should be in center. So top 50% and left 50%. And I have taken a fixed width 400 pixel and height 400 pixel. After that I have taken margin from top. From top it will take 200 pixel margin, and from left it will take minus 200 margin. So after that I have taken border radius of our frame 2 pixel, and then I have taken box shadow to look a good. So for that I have taken a box shadow 1 pixel, 2 pixel and 10 pixel bar and 0 pixel with this color RGB. So after that I have taken overflow. Whatever our elements will overflow, it should be hidden. So for that I have taken overflow hidden. After that I have taken my class top and bottom both. See here in class frame I have taken two divs with class top and bottom. So in class top and bottom I have taken position absolute width 100% and height 200 pixel. After that I have taken top 0 and left should be 0. So it will occupy whole frame. So after that I have taken background color code. You can see here my background color code. I show you here I have taken background color code. So then I have taken separately bottom tag class. So here I have taken bottom class with top 50% and a color code. See, this is the color code. Then I have taken class ellipse. So here is our class ellipse. So now we will style our class ellipse with class white. So here I have taken class ellipse with class white and class green. So both, sorry, we have to take white and sky. Sky, it should be sky. So here I'll save the change. I'll see the output. See, it's showing nicely. So here I have target my class white and sky. So in this I have taken position absolute and width 420 pixel and height 400 pixel and a background color code. You can see here a background color code. Then from back face visibility it should be hidden and border radius 50% and Z index 2 and transform rotate x 0. So it will rotate 0 degree. So then I have taken class sky. First we have taken both the class white and sky. Then I have taken class sky. Then in this I have taken color code and this I have taken Z index 1 and transform rotate x 180 degree. So it should rotate 1 degree. So then I have taken keyframes elastic. So I have shown you here in class ellipse I have taken the animation elastic. Name of the animation is elastic and it should be 5 seconds and it should be ease in out and it should be infinite. So it will do infinite time and transform style in 3D. So we target our keyframes elastic. So at 0% rotate x 90 degree, at 15% rotate x 150 degree, and at 20% I have taken rotate x 50 degree, and at 25% I have taken rotate x 120 degree. Like that we have taken at different percentage what degree it should rotate. So then I have taken 70 degree, at 35% I have taken 100 degree, at 40% I have taken rotate x 83 degree, and at 45% I have taken rotate x 93 degree. Similarly, I have taken at 50% 90 degree and 65% at 30 degree, and at 70% I have taken 130 degree, and at 75% I have taken 60 degree, and at 80% I have taken 180 degree, and at 85% I have taken 80 degree, and then I have taken rotate x 97 degree at 90%, and at 95% I have taken 87 degree and rotate x 90 degree at 100%. You can write your own degree to rotate, and it will show the different types and angles in which it will move. So you can write your own code with different degree and changes. So then I have target my heading h2 tag. I have taken the color. See, I can show you my color code. Then text should be aligned, and I have taken a text shadow so it look good. 3 pixel from and 3 pixel for horizontal and vertical, and 4 pixel blur and a color code. So this how after making I can show you here. Here is our HTML and CSS file. After writing this much, we'll get a beautiful elastic animation like this. So hope you guys like the video, subscribe the channel, and don't forget to share with your friends. So hope you will support me in upcoming videos. If any issue is there, please comment. I'll improve on it. So thanks for watching. We'll meet in next video.